Hello students, good morning. Welcome to the session. In this video we'll discuss about how to draw ray diagrams for concave mirror. In previous video I explained you about the lab activity by using a concave mirror. What type, when you place an object in front of a concave mirror, what type of images we get and what are the characteristics of that image, whether the image is virtual or real, diminished or enlarged, that we discussed in last video. Now in today's video we'll discuss about how to draw the ray diagrams by using a concave mirror. First, take a concave mirror, and concave mirror means one side should be coated with paint and the reflecting surface is curved inwards. Then immediately draw the principal axis. The center of the mirror is known as pole and it has a center C. Now if you place a candle somewhere on the principal axis, when you place a source of light like a candle on this principal axis, then what type of image you will get and where you will get the focus point, that we will find out. So this is the flame of the object. Just you take, this is the candle and this is the flame of the candle, tip of the candle. To draw the ray diagrams, we must take at least two rays should incident on this mirror. So from the tip of the flame, I will take two rays. So just one ray is incident on this concave mirror. So this is the incident ray, and immediately from this mirror it reflects. So to find out the reflecting ray, just you draw the normal from this point to the center of curvature. So at what angle it makes it incident, with the same angle the ray reflected from the mirror. Now one more ray we will take from the tip of the flame. Just this another ray is incident at another place on this mirror. Again, to find out the reflected ray, you must draw the normal from the center of curvature. Here you will find out the angle of incident. Here you will find out the angle of incident. With the same angle, you must draw the reflected ray. This is the reflected ray. So where these two reflected rays are actually converging, that converging point to this principal axis, you must draw a line. So here you will get an image. Here you will get, if you hold a screen, white paper, there you will get the image on the paper. So this point we'll take it as A. So here you will get the image, and we observed in that lab activity, we got all the images are real images. Real images are inverted images. So instead of A, if you place the screen either this point before and after this point A, if you place a screen, will you get the sharp image? No, we will not get the sharp. This is the point B. When you place the screen at A, you can find out, you can catch the image on the screen, that the tip of the flame inverted image. Instead of this A, suppose if you place the screen at B, will you get the same sharp image? No, just in the lab activity we observed that one. When you place at B, here the reflecting rays are diverging. So when the rays are diverging, we will get the blurred image. We'll get a blurred image. So due to this reason, where the converging point we get, there if you place the screen, we can catch the image on the screen. Okay. Now on this is the center and this is the candle. Now in front of a concave mirror, this is the center and this is the pole. If you place a candle at different places, at infinity, beyond C, at C, and suppose if it is a focus point in between focus and the center at F, and in between P and C. How to draw the ray diagrams? How to draw the ray diagrams? Here, to draw the ray diagrams, always we have to draw the normals. So, to draw in all these cases, to draw normals and drawing the ray diagrams, it is a time waste and it is very difficult to draw also. Due to that, we have some rules how to draw the ray diagrams for concave mirror. Instead of by using the normals, we have to follow some rules. There are 3 rules to draw the ray diagrams. So first we'll discuss about what are the 3 rules. Now I will explain you rules to draw ray diagrams for concave mirror. Rule 1. What is rule 1? When always you have to draw like this principal axis. This is the pole and you will get focus, and this is the center of curvature. See, this F also you should take it, because in all the ray diagrams we will consider that rays are parallel. Here in this case, suppose when a ray is parallel to the principal axis, when a ray is parallel to the principal axis, 1 minute, let me find. You have to place the candle here. Okay, I'll take small one. When a ray is parallel to the principal axis, from the tip of the flame, when a ray is parallel to this principal axis, after the reflection, the reflected ray is passing through the focus. The reflected ray is passing through the focus. This is the rule 1. Once again, I will repeat. When a ray is parallel to the principal axis, after the reflection, the reflected ray is passing through the focus. Next, rule 2. When a ray is passing through the focus like this, when a ray is passing through the focus, after the reflection, the reflected ray is parallel to the principal axis. Reverse of this first one. When a ray is passing through the focus, after the reflection, the reflected ray is parallel to the principal axis. This is the rule 2. Now, I will draw rule 3. What is rule 3? When a ray is passing through the center of curvature, Here it has center of curvature, and this is the focus, and this is the pole. When a ray is passing through, the means the incident ray is passing through the center of curvature, the reflected ray also passing through the center of curvature only. The reflected ray is also passing through the center of curvature. So these are the three rules. Instead of drawing the normals in every condition, we have to follow these three rules to draw the ray diagrams for concave mirror. In lab activity, we have discussed about when you place a candle at infinity, means far, beyond sea, at sea, like different situations we observe the types of images. So in all the cases, how to draw the ray diagrams, that we can find out by using these three rules. Thank you. Have a nice day.